Let's learn natural English.
I would have done the same thing today if I were in your position. She would have done it differently if she had more experience with it. They would have done more if they could have stayed a little longer. That might have happened yesterday while everyone was busy working. It might have happened without anyone noticing at the time. Something like that might have happened before in a similar situation. He must have forgot about the meeting that was scheduled for today. She must have forgot her notebook at home before leaving for school. They must have forgot the schedule that was sent earlier this week. Look at this photo for a second and tell me what you think. Look at how bright the sky is after the rain stopped. Look at what I found this morning while cleaning the garage. Got him right on time before the event started. I finally got Tem organized after spending the whole afternoon working on it. We got Tem ready before lunch so we could relax afterward. I stayed home 'cause it was raining heavily all afternoon. She smiled 'cause she understood exactly what I meant. We left early 'cause traffic was heavy near the city center. I was late 'cause I missed the bus that usually arrives on time. He stayed quiet 'cause he was thinking about the decision. We waited outside 'cause the room was completely full. Y'all did a great job today, and everyone noticed it. Y'all look happy today after hearing the good news. I'll talk to y'all later after I finish my work. Y'all did a great job today, and everyone noticed it. Are y'all staying here tonight, or heading home later? Y'all look happy today after hearing the good news.
Idioms today.
Let's learn natural idioms.
I didn't want to tell the man my real name, so I made up a name. Checks out fully. Can I put in a word or two? She's used to getting up early in the morning. Every week, he puts in 6 hours of volunteer work at the hospital. It doesn't depend on me. She had to work overtime to make up the days of work she missed. The telephone is ringing. Don't listen to him. I have to take time off next week to go to the doctor. He wasn't able to put through the reorganization that he started. We set out early in the morning. Traffic tends to get heavy around 5 in the evening. He turned to stone. I have to see about our airplane tickets. Now that I have some free time, I plan to do a lot more reading. The sun came through the clouds. Switch on the light, please. On the way to work this morning, she saw a deer. She pulled off her heavy boots and put on her slippers. Off the cuff, I can give you only a rough estimate. From now on, I'm free. Yes, it rings a bell, but I can't place it right now. Can you take care of my dog while I'm away? As soon as you delete a worthless file. He got rid of his old useless car. He talked her out of getting a dog. You'll never get away with this. Watch for the signal from the boat. He took apart all of the new toys. Please come in and sit down.
Let's learn
Idioms
American
today.
slangs.
Slangs.
He likes to flex his expensive watches online. Buying a sports car just to flex is unnecessary. She flexed her cooking skills during the family dinner. The movie turned into a huge flop despite the marketing campaign. His business idea flopped after only a few months. The singer's latest album was considered a flop by critics. That leather jacket makes you look really fly. He arrived at the event looking fly in a black suit. Those sunglasses are fly and match your style perfectly. She bought tickets immediately because of serious FOMO. Social media often increases people's FOMO during vacations and parties. He joined the event mostly because of FOMO. My mom will freak out if she sees this mess in the kitchen. She freaked out when she realized her passport was missing. Don't freak out over a small problem like that. Those sneakers look fresh right out of the box. He always brings fresh ideas to every meeting. Her fresh haircut completely changed her appearance. The cafe has a funky design with colorful walls and old furniture. He wore a funky shirt that everyone noticed immediately. That song has a funky rhythm perfect for dancing. My closest friends are basically my fam now. That view from the mountain is far out. The special effects in that movie were totally far out. Your idea for the festival sounds really far out. I'm fed up with all the noise from the neighbors. She got fed up and finally quit her stressful job. We're all fed up with waiting for delayed flights. That new track is pure fire, and everyone loves it. Your sneakers are fire with that outfit. The performance last night was absolutely fire. Their friendship slowly fizzled out after high school ended. The excitement around the product quickly fizzled out. The conversation fizzled out after an awkward silence.
Be down with. Phrasal verbs. Be down with.
A tradução mais direta em português é:
concordar, cooperar com alguém ou algo, estar de acordo com, estar disposto a, ser chegado com algo ou alguém, estar mal com uma condição física, estar mal cabisbaixo.
Exemplos. Yeah, I'm down with that. I'm totally down with that. That sounds like a good idea. I'm down with that. I need a partner. Are you down with me? I'm down with that crowd. She was totally down for a selfie. You going to the movies? Yo, I'm down. I told them I wasn't down with lying to people. She has been down with the flu for a week. He's been down with a bad cold. I got some bad news this morning. so I'm a bit down at the moment. You didn't do that poorly on the exam. Don't be so down. During the winter months, Sue's always down, but spring cheers her up. Down with the king. Down with the government. Demonstrators chanted down with the rebels. Down with the establishment.